anime agad-agad mula sa Real Time Week Live. Narito po ngayon ang aming nagagandahang host na si Miss D, Miss G, and Miss E. Ngayon po magsisimula na ang aming pagtatanghal. Go!
Okay, umpisa na po natin ang pinakamagandang game show sa buong mundo, ang Anime Agad-Agad Pa-Premyo.
Alamin na po natin kung sino ang maglalaro ngayon. Papasok po si Marinela.
Nagulat siya.
Angela.
Thomas Kirk and John Kennedy developed the basic. Who developed Microsoft? Mario. No.
Wala 2,000.
Bill Gates. Tama. User interface is the portion of the program through which the user interacts and communicates with the program or the computer. What's the type of user interface that allows users to interact with electronic devices using image rather than text commands?
Ay, papel mo, pinrapid yun.